the twin refrigerator and freezer. The next door opens up to a slide-out stainless steel fridge. The National Luna NL90 24-gallon twin fridge freezer is designed to offer a larger capacity compared to the NL60. Twin thermostats allow settings of dual fridge, dual freezer, or a combination. The fridge and freezer compartments, respectively, have 42mm and 60mm high-density polyurethane insulation, as well as a thermostat range of 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 10.4 degrees Fahrenheit, and 68 degrees Fahrenheit to minus 11.2 degrees Fahrenheit. The National Luna has proven quality, functionality, looks great, and can be used outside of the trailer. While inside the trailer, the fridge is strapped to the slider tie-down rails for extra safety and connected to the trailer power panel. The fridge also boasts a Danfoss-designed BD35F compressor, digital temperature controller, battery protection, internal LED light, stainless steel latches, and a 1-year warranty.